Hey guys, welcome back to the Bayside Reviews channel. We are going to open up a box of the Mini Mic Pro wireless headphone system, courtesy of my daughter who got me this for Christmas. So I was very happy to see these because I was actually thinking about getting a set of these for this channel and my other channel. So let's get the box opened up. These are available on Amazon. I'll try to remember to put a link down below in the description so you can pick one up, set up for yourself if you're interested in this. So basically a walk around. On the back it says it comes with 2 microphones, windproof tips, 2 high density sponges, a USB-C adapter, and a charging case. So it looks like all the stuff goes into a nice clean case like you see there. So let's get the box opened. Oh, it's got a nice carry case too. So a nice zip case, so pretty cool. Kind of has like a hard shell to it, so I wouldn't say you could, smash it with a car, but it'll keep it from getting smushed if you put it in luggage. You get your charging cord, probably, I don't know, maybe 8 inches long, but a dual USB-C end there. Looks like we get a converter. So I've seen these before. So you get these soft foamy tips. I don't know what the difference is, but it also has an iPhone adapter. So I think, yeah, it looks like you can charge this up with an iPhone adapter. So it does have like the iPhone tip, and you plug in the USB-C end into there, and then I guess you can charge it with iPhone. All right, and then you get the case. So the case is one piece. Charging port is on the bottom. On the front, it has a couple of lights. I would imagine those are probably charge indicators. And then you get the fuzzies. You get the fuzzies inside. So I'm just going to pull one of them out. All right, so I pull one out, and it seems like it activates it like right away. I don't have it paired to anything, so it's probably freaking out. Take the other one out. They don't come out easily, so even if the case opens, it doesn't even pop out. So there's some kind of magnet, I guess, that holds them in place. So I'm going to check out the instructions, which are here, and do something real quick and just kind of see if I can get a quick setup done, and I'll be right back with thoughts on how it works. One thing I failed to notice, but I was like looking for it after the instructions. So in the case, it has the dongle or okay, so this must be what connects to the iPhone connector. So maybe this is not necessarily for charging. This is, okay, I get it. So that's how you can plug it into an iPhone. Okay, but I have an Android, and all right, so let me give it a shot. It seems like it's charged, so I think I have enough juice to actually do this now without charging it. So let me test it out and let you guys know what I think. Okay, looks like I am recording through the USB mic, so I'm testing to see how you guys, or how I sound on here. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I'm going to place the phone down and walk away and see if it still captures. That'll be the true test to see how good this is. So I'm standing currently about 10 to 15 feet away from the phone, just trying to find a good place on my shirt for it. So I'm going to move it more towards the middle, and I'm going to walk back over, and we're going to see how this sounds. So okay, let me see. Okay, I'm going to test it again. This time I made sure the other microphone was not on. I just wanted to make sure that I wasn't getting 2 feeds for some reason. I don't think I was, but same test. I'm sitting up close to the phone, probably no more than 2 feet apart. I'm going to get up, walk away to about 10 to 15 feet, and I'm back over here where I can see the phone, but I'm not that close to it. All right, I'm going to walk back over, walking, testing, and let's see how that sounds. As soon as I hit record, you'll see it says recording through USB mic, and it was pretty much seamless. I didn't do anything special, so pretty cool in that aspect. Very easy to work. So if you're a novice at this kind of thing, it may do really well. So, all right, there you go. I wanted to show you guys exactly what happened when I set it up. I didn't do anything special. I literally plugged in that longer dongle piece, and I just hit record. And as soon as I hit record, you'll see it says recording through USB mic, and it was pretty much seamless. I didn't do anything special. So pretty cool in that aspect. Very easy to work. So if you're a novice at this kind of thing, it may do really well. So, all right, there you go. All right, and that is the open box review of the Mini Mic Pro. I'm going to be testing this out in the field for real, in some future videos. So look out for that. But thank you guys for watching another video from me, and tune in to Bayside Reviews for another review on something, whatever comes across my way. Thank you guys. Have a good one, and hit that subscribe button.